with TechnoRV, and this is the TechnoRV Learning Series for the Rand McNally OverDryve 7 RV. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your RV specific information into this unit. So from the main menu, you're going to click on RV Tools, and then that'll bring up a screen, and then you'll want to click on RV Info. And this is going to bring you to all of the categories that you will need to make adjustments to based on your specific RV. So it starts off with what RV type are you, and there's a list of 11 of them over here, and you have a down arrow here that you can see more options, and you just need to click the one that matches your RV. Under routing style, you can route more like a truck, more like a big unit, or between kind of a car or a truck, or just more car-like, however you want the system to route you. I particularly just like leaving mine on more truck-like, the default. Propane tanks, how many propane tanks do you have in your RV? You can use the plus and minus keys to move this up or down. Or you can click the center button here, and that will just bring up, say you've got 3, I can just hit 3 and enter. Either way. Size of each propane tank, how big are these tanks? It tells you they usually come in 20, 40, or 100, and you can just make an adjustment here to that. The number of trailers that you have. If you're a motorhome towing a vehicle, then you'll be 1. If you're a truck towing a travel trailer, you'll be 1. If you double tow, then you will need to mark 2. Total length of your RV and trailer. So this is the total length of everything going down the road. You'll need to measure that out and put it in this field here. The weight, how much do you weigh going down the road? And this is all in. If you've got a motorhome with a tow vehicle, or a truck with a towable, what is that weight? And you'll need to put that in here. If you haven't gotten weighed before, then it's a good idea to get your RV weighed. Otherwise, you'll have to guess. You'll just have to look at the gross vehicle weight and then kind of guess of what you have in your RV and that total weight. And we'll just push that arrow to get to the rest of these. Now your height, how tall are you? Do you know? If not, you'll need to measure that. You're going to enter this in inches over here, and just make sure you find what is the highest point, the absolute highest point on your RV. Oftentimes it's an air conditioner. Sometimes people put antennas up that are higher than the air conditioner. You get up there and look. Whatever the highest point is, that's what needs to go into this field. What is your width, the widest part of you going down the road, and then the number of axles. The number of axles is going to be all axles all in, so truck and a triple axle fifth wheel, or a motorhome and a tow vehicle, whatever those number of axles is, that's what needs to be entered right here. And that is how you enter your RV specific information into the Tablet 70.